Hey everyone, it's Rob and I'm here to answer 5 quick questions about this year's ABR Festival. I love talking about bikes with people. Quite often at bike shows and stuff, people who watch the channel come up for a chat. So if you see me around, please do come and say hello. I'm massively looking forward to seeing the new Husqvarna Norden 901 Expedition. I absolutely loved the original. So I'll be doing a masterclass talk on the Friday, which you can find the timing for on the schedule, where I'll be talking about making better motorcycle travel videos on a tight budget. I was lucky enough last year to go to Ragley Hall, where it's going to be hosted, to shoot a YouTube video with ABR, and it really is a stunning setting for a festival. I'll definitely be having a stab or two at the adventure trail, but once I'm done with that, I'll probably be sampling the delights of the bar and blathering on about bikes to anyone who'll listen.